everyone, it's Annette here from Fairydust Nails again. So we're going to do another video today like I promised. And I think today what we will do is make a snowman. Easy peasy, step by step, white acrylic. I'm using my Glampro number 12 brush. That. And then I think we should just pick a background color for this snowman. It's a shimmer, so with no further ado, there we go. Always tilt your brush downwards, so that the acrylic actually runs to the free edge of the nail. Seeing that this is just a step-by-step tutorial video, I'm not going to pay that much attention to building an arch or anything like that on the nail. I'm just going to go in with a simple cover with this blue, and then of course we will start with the design. This is not 100% dry, but I think it's dry enough for us to start. Okay, so I've got the white ready, and I'm going to use kind of a big bead. Wait for it to polymerize. You'll see what happens. There we go. Then we're going to put down the head. And we want it to kind of just do its own thing. Round, fat little ball. We don't want to press it too flat. I'm basically just touching it with the tip of my brush so that we can have that round kind of a little ball. Okay, and now we even going to go for a bigger one. So now I'm going to go in with more monomer on my brush. And we can always add. We want the snowman to have a bit of a belly. As you can see, I'm not doing much to the actual ball that I've put down on the nail. Let's just see if we can make little eyes so that we know exactly where to put the eyes. Do you guys feel that he should have a little bit of a fatter belly? I think so. So let's try one more time and just add a little bit. Finished shaping because now he's going to start drying and it's going to go a little bit more matte. So then you can't really move the acrylic around anymore. So I think we should put a hat on this guy, don't you think so? Another hat. Of course, we're just going to put the white one side and take the red. See, there we go. So that's just a bit of monomer running down the side here because my brush is a bit wet. But now I've actually put it on the side, and now this little piece I'm going to guide down so that we have and of course we want the snowman to have a scarf. The red away. To give it a lot more of a 3D effect, I keep on tucking in the acrylic so that this little piece can have a nice rounding, like something is really around his neck. Now I'm just going to go for my 3D brush. Take a bead. Put it down. We're just tucking it in there. You see there with the point of the brush, so that it actually looks like we have got the scarf coming down from underneath. Just cleaning off my brush and cleaning all this acrylic off the white. And there we go. Remember, the other side's underneath, it goes down this way, and the other piece is hanging down on his back. So Let's see what else we're going to give him. We must remember to give him a bit of a nose. And of course, a snowman does have arms, and it's normally with twigs. So, remember people, I'm from South Africa, we don't get snow here. It's always very, very hot here. So, just to try and get this done, I'm not sure how this one's going to come out. Well, there's one arm. Let's make another one. Oh, I'm sorry, out of frame again. And there we go. Now it's basically just for a bit of finishing touches. I think what we need to do is maybe give him some kind of a frilliness around his hat, yeah. I'm just going to take my silicone tool and do this. Especially so that we got a bit of a contrast with his body and the frilly around his hat. And I think we're done. So now, what we will do is just give him little eyes, black. Just cleaning off the brush. Just wetting the tip of this brush. And I'm taking a tiny, tiny little bit of acrylic. And just putting it down there. Just doing the other one. Tiny little bit. And I think what I'm going to do is just with a bit of gel, draw on. a little mouth. Just like that. We're going to cure that. And then we are basically done with the snowman. I will take a picture and put it at the end of the video for you. Thank you very much, everyone, for having a look at this video. Thank you so much for your support, and another one coming up very, very soon. Have a good evening, and I'm saying cheers. Bye-bye.